Video introducing the TIG250CPRO Cold TIG Welder. Hello to our esteemed audience on the official Hongkey YouTube channel. After extensive research and development, we are excited to present to you our latest innovation, the TIG250CPRO Cold TIG Welder. The TIG250CPRO is an essential tool for professional welders specializing in thin materials and stainless steel, where aesthetic quality is paramount. This welder features a modern design that meets European standards, adorned in the familiar PRO blue color and finished with a durable powder coat for protection. Included with the machine is a premium accessory kit comprising a TIG welding torch with a 5-meter connection cable, a grounding clamp with a 3-meter welding cable, an Argon pressure gauge. Depending on your specific needs, additional accessories can be purchased, including 25mm squared copper welding cables, 300 amp or 500 amp welding clamps, an argon gas cylinder, gas hoses, and a specialized helmet for cold TIG welding. The front panel displays the voltage, function switch, and adjustable knobs, all designed for intuitive use. At the rear, you will find the power switch, gas inlet connector, dedicated helmet connection, grounding cable, and the machine's cooling fan. With its compact design and light weight of only 10.5 kilograms, the TIG250CPRO is easy to transport and maneuver on various job sites. This machine operates on single-phase 220-volt power and provides a precise output current of 250 amperes. With a duty cycle of 25% at 40 degrees Celsius, it can weld continuously for 2.5 minutes at 250 amperes in normal temperature conditions without overheating, whether in cold TIG or DC TIG mode. It accommodates TIG welding rods ranging from 1.6 millimeters to 3.2 millimeters. For the cold TIG function, users can adjust the arc duration and the rest time to the millisecond, 0.1 milliseconds, along with a customizable post-flow gas time suitable for different materials and sizes. This feature minimizes heat concentration on the weld, resulting in a bright and flawless finish. What you see here is a weld created with the TIG250CPRO. If you're interested in this remarkable product, please leave a comment below or contact us at +84 287 3036 536 and email export@hongkey.vn for consultation. Thank you for watching and see you next time.